Oceans and seas are so majestic creatures of nature that they cannot be said prosaically as if it were just water. The ocean is a living organism, having its character and soul. It should not be treated with disrespect. The fact that it should be so is evidenced by ancient history, which happened in a part of the major geographical discoveries. We lived on the ocean coast with friends who often came to the shore and screamed at the air as if to the ocean. Supposedly, we're cooler and stronger than you. When we grow up to be sea captains, we will conquer you. And as demonstration of their superiority, they threw rocks, garbage, and other rubbish into the ocean waters. One friend disapproved of the disgraceful behavior of his fellows. He reproached them for doing wrong. He wouldn't be lazy. He'd go in the water, he'd pick up the stuff they threw in the water, and he'd take it to the landfill. Years have passed. Have really become sailors, but have chosen for themselves pirate craft. Have gone on a path of robbery and plunder. But if all the other friends have done evil and injustice, then one of them has remained true to himself. He did not participate in the attacks, but studied plants and animals on the lands and islands where they swam. The ocean couldn't stand the arbitrariness of sea robbers. Raised a storm, raised huge waves, which then smashed the pirate ship on the rock. All died. Except for one, that guy who at one time did not insult the ocean, cleaned it off garbage, and now did not participate in attacks and did not bring grief to other people. It is said that all this is for a reason, that all this did the ocean. After all, evil friends died, not in combat, but in a sea storm. And it is symbolic that the one who did not die is the only one of the friends who did not insult the ocean and people sailing on the ocean. This case confirms that the ocean really has a soul and understands everything that happens. He can see who is doing wrong and who act conscientiously. So, do not insult the oceans and seas. They not only delight our eye with their majestic and boundless beautiful spaces. The oceans are of great benefit to people. Their waters are home to many fish and other marine life. The ocean contains a lot of useful substances that people use and used for centuries throughout the existence of mankind. So, do not insult the oceans and seas. Do not throw garbage into their waters. Treat the water element with respect. And the oceans and seas will be generously rewarded with their gifts for your kindness. And you, and your children, and your grandchildren, and great-grandchildren.